Okay, so we've got to level 7. Extend your composition to 8 bars, showing a clear structure. What this means is don't just copy and paste what you've got for 8 bars. Have a development. So a really simple way to do this without having to add anything is just to structure it so the parts come in one at a time. So maybe start with your melody, and then have your percussion parts come in the second time. Okay, so I'm going to copy and paste my melody. You can just loop it by using that hour, as I showed in another video. But I'm going to copy and paste because it gives just more freedom to make changes later on. So if you right click and click copy, then move the playhead, and then right click and click paste. Or you can use the keyboard shortcuts Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. So in this example here, over my 8 bars, they're coming in one after the other. Okay, so now there's a clear structure here, and this is how we're getting to level 7. Okay, and that's a level 7. You could do other stuff which I'm going to demonstrate for the kind of level 8 and 9, but in terms of meeting that criteria, this is it really. There we go.